So you just launched your new website for the world to see. Exciting, right? Whether you hired a pro or you built it yourself, you've just launched your digital business partner. Congratulations. Now what? If you think the work is over, you're already losing ground. Truth is, launch day is not the finish line. It's actually the starting line. If you want your website to actually draw in clients, revenue, and real results, you'll need to make an ongoing investment to keep it performing at its best. Let's talk about what it's actually going to take. What's up, Faithpreneurs? I'm Stephanie Mays with S Mays Designs, designs with your brand in mind. And today is Web Wednesday, which means I'll be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. So let's begin with this question. Would you spend thousands of dollars on a luxury car, never maintain it, and then expect it to run for years without problems? The same goes for a website. You can't expect continued high performance with little to no maintenance. Your website is like a living, breathing part of your brand. It's not like a billboard that you hang up and forget about. Many business owners see launch day as the finish line, but it's actually the starting line. This is where your website's real job begins. The web and people are always changing. You need to be able to keep up with the changes. This doesn't mean that you're going to have to start redesigning your website the moment it goes live. This just means that you'll need to have a plan for marketing, maintenance, and optimization. If you hire a web designer, hopefully this is something that was considered prior to the development stage. Having a strategy first approach ensures that the site continues to evolve with marketing trends and audience's needs. If not, then you can still put a strategy together and make necessary adjustments. You just may have to make those adjustments a lot sooner. So, what does this ongoing work look like? It should include a post-launch strategy for analytics tracking, updates, maintenance, and optimization. Tracking analytics allows you to understand website visitors' behavior, spot and fix conversion drop-offs, and identify the top performing content. Analytics reveals what's working and what isn't, what pages people visit, how long they stay, and where they leave. This data allows you to make informed improvements and actually move the needle. One of my favorite tools to integrate for analytics tracking is Google Analytics. You can learn more about that in my Google Analytics video. Now, updates are important because your audience evolves and their needs, preferences, and pain points change over time. Updating your calls to action and presenting fresh offers help lead generation, which should be an ongoing task as your website works to convert visitors into paying clients. Without updates, your content becomes irrelevant and outdated, which will repel rather than attract leads. Updates also help your ranking in search engines. Google prioritizes websites that are active, regularly updated, and optimized. Next is web maintenance, which involves technical health checks, security updates, and performance monitoring, which keeps the site secure, fast, and functional. Technology changes fast, and it waits for no one. Browser updates, mobile devices, and security protocols are constantly evolving. Without ongoing maintenance, your site risks slow load times, broken features, and even cyber threats. And lastly, your post-launch strategy should include a plan for optimization. Optimization has to do with updates, but the updates focus more on ongoing SEO, search engine optimization, and content updates that keep the website relevant in search results and improving its performance. Without post-launch care, your website runs the risk of missed opportunities in capturing leads, declining in search engine rankings, security breaches, broken features, and slow loading times, just to name a few. I had a client who failed to maintain her website and ended up getting hacked. The hacker was able to breach her website through outdated web applications, uploaded a file into the back end that rerouted her website to another domain and made her think that her website was stolen and that she could not get it back without paying him. Luckily, I was able to access the back end and restore the website, but all this could have been avoided had she maintained the site to begin with. So, the moral of the story is don't launch it and leave it. Remember, your website should function as your digital business partner, and in order to do so, it needs ongoing attention to keep delivering results. High-performing businesses do not leave their website on autopilot. I understand that as a business owner, you may not always have time to make the ongoing investment in your website. So, I offer a maintenance and optimization package to help you keep your site healthy, relevant, and working effectively and efficiently to help you meet your business goals. You can visit my website at smaysdesigns.com to learn more about that service. So that concludes my Web Wednesday topic for today. If you found this topic helpful, let me know in the comments below and make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. And I will see you all in the next video. Be blessed.